And this is Pavan. You're watching Tech Motive. Actually, Redmi K20 and K20 Pro has launched between a price segment. It could be Snapdragon 730. A Indian variant has launched. China variant has launched in K20. You will get at the price point 19,990 in China. Coming to that, Indian price has launched 2,000 above over price K2 K20 and K20 price you will get at the price range 28,909. I mean 27,990 with a cashback, better product features and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset with fabrication 7 nanometer chipset. You will get at the 640 graphics. I'm going to share my opinion what Xiaomi has did with between the competitors like Realme or Samsung to give a competitions like OnePlus 7 Pro has beaten in camera. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. You will get more knowledge in my channel. Let's get started. 6.3-inch full HD plus resolution with a Super AMOLED screen. Back you will get the triple ear camera sensor with Sony IMX582 sensor. You will get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor in K20 with 4000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charger with out of the box Android 9 Pie with MUI 10 updates. Coming to back, you will get at the back triple rear camera sensor Sony IMX582 with f1.8 aperture, and back you will get at the 13 megapixel f3 dot aperture with a telephoto lens. I mean 8 megapixel you will get at the 2x optical zoom. 13 megapixel you will get at the ultra wide angle. You can capture in much distance and much better highlighted in grains and you will capture better details. Coming to back that K20 Pro you will get the price segment with 27 watt fast charger with out of the box. You will get the price range. It's okay. Nowadays Xiaomi is also giving the competitions as much better in Realme or Samsung to give a competitor. Sony IMX5D6 sensor you will have the back with a massive 4000 mAh battery with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset with a 640 graphics 7 nanometer chipset with 2.8 gigahertz with you will not get the 5G supported 5G modem should 5G modem, I mean 5G modem a chipset. It could be provided like companies in August. It will come on next soon. You will get at the upcoming days. You will get at the coming backs. Front you will get a 6.3-inch full HD plus resolution display with a pop-up selfie camera 20 megapixel with in-display fingerprint sensor with you will get at the 7th generation with pop-up selfie camera with you will get at the LED notification light with the front up and triple rear camera sensor. Its price okay, giving competitions to competitors like OnePlus 7 Pro or Xiaomi is the number one brand in India. You should go exclusive Flipkart and you can buy it. That's okay to compromise that Poco has launched. I mean Poco is sub brand. I mean leaks rumors are not saying that Poco is not coming with new smartphones. It could be launched between the smartphones in August or September October. It could be launched with a price segment with Poco F1 has launched Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset with the competitions with 21 I mean 21,990 with you will get another 21,000 with 6 GB 64 GB. Now price price as low. You will get the 17,990 with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset with a 630 graphics. If you hope like the video, like and say subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. I will come at the next video. Bye guys.